Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay and I run Looks by Linds, which is a blog in Vancouver, BC. If you're new here, thank you for watching. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to teach you how I curl my hair. Also, don't mind my ear. Today it was really cold out in Vancouver and I didn't dress properly. And ever since I got home, my ear is super duper red and I can't really get it to calm down, but I couldn't wait any longer to do this video because the sun is going down quick, and as you can see, it's already pretty dark in here. So let's get to it. So first things first, all you're gonna need today is a hairbrush, which I have an old hairbrush I bought when I went to college, and two heat products, which is a straightener and a curler. So my curler is actually a wand. It's a 1-inch wand that my sister got for me at Winners years ago for my birthday. So it's just like a 1-inch wand. What I like about it is that it's only one size, so it's not one of those ones that's like fat at the bottom and then goes skinny. So I find it keeps the size of the curl consistent throughout. And then I just have a straightener that is from Winners as well. Just something cheap I bought when I moved out because I used to share one with my mom. Really, the only thing I use my straightener for is to get the kinks out of the roots of my hair. So really just wanted something inexpensive that's gonna do the trick. So both products are actually both from Winners, and they're very inexpensive. The curler did like crap out on me once, but I was so obsessed with it and it did last, I think, like at least 3 years. So I just bought the exact same one on Amazon, and it is the Bella model number BCJ401. I will link it in the comments below. And then the last product I've been using just recently is this hair oil by Voir Haircare. So you can see right there. This is a Vancouver-based company. It's called a Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil. It just kind of gives a little bit of shine and a little bit of like a healthy look to my hair after I've done curling it. And like I said, I do not use any hairspray or anything on my hair just because my hair naturally does hold the curl really nicely. And I find when I hairspray it, it kind of weighs down the curls, whereas I like my curls big and bouncy and like fluffy. So that's just what works best for me. I think the real secret to my hair is that I have a lot of it. This is day 2, so I've had my hair in a braid for like 2 days. I always get asked if I have hair extensions, whatever the case may be, but I do not. My mom has a lot of hair and I have taken after her head of hair. It's a pain in the butt sometimes because it does nearly take an hour to style, but once it's styled, it lasts me at least 3 days, potentially 4, depending on the time of year. In the summertime, I find my hair does get a little bit greasier quicker, but right now in the winter, my scalp is really dry and my curls can last up to 4 days. So usually I start on hair that's like right out of the shower sort of deal, or right out of the shower, like day 1 hair, whereas today we're starting with day 2 hair. I had a shoot earlier this morning and just did not have time to style, so I did a braid and it still looks good. I like my hair in braids, it's very Parisian-esque. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I create my curls. So step 1, I'm just gonna brush it all out. Actually, it's got a really nice wave to it right now. I don't want to ruin it. But I do have another shoot tomorrow that I want my barrel curls for. So I basically brush out the entire head of hair and I split it into 4 or 5 sections depending on how fluffy it is. So I'm just gonna throw up big chunk of hair. That way we can get to the very bottom layer, and I just put it in a bun so that the rest of my hair isn't getting in the way. So just to show exactly how much hair I have probably a quarter of my hair laying down, and that is still the size of my bun. It's such a pain in the ass sometimes. Oh. And again, I'm still figuring out this ring light thing, so bear with me. So I'll take my very first piece of hair and I just straighten out the ends. And take my wand and wrap it away from my face. And hold it like 10 seconds or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And voila. So you have a big, big barrel curl. And you go all the way around through the 3 or 4 or 5 layers, depending on how fluffy my hair is. And curl away from the face. So that's layer 1. Now I'm gonna split it down to layer 2. So I kind of just let another layer just over top of it, down, and throw my hair up in another bun. I'm having a really hard time with this like ring light situation. So if anyone can lead me to a solution, let me know. All right. So I'm just gonna go through and pick out pieces and do the exact same thing all over again. Whew, I'm like sweating. So I'm gonna go grab a glass of water and we will continue. So I kind of just, for the 3rd layer, just kind of leave that last bit of hair on the top of my head so I can decide how I want to part it. So I'll let the rest down. So this is going to be a pretty big layer, so it'll probably take me longer to do this layer. And just do a little bun on the top of my head. And away we go. Oh my God, you literally get an arm workout doing this hair, I swear. Again, I apologize for this ring light stuff. I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe it's because it's dark. I did a couple other videos and it wasn't a problem because I had more like natural sunlight in here, but for today, this is all I got. But I promise I'll get better. So we're gonna get into the very last layer. Sometimes I part my hair on the side, but most of the time I part it in the center. So I just take my finger and make a middle part and just split my hair. And that'll be the very last layer, and then I'll show you how I kind of style it just with my fingers, and then I'll put in the hair oil. This could be the final product. You never know. It's actually a lion's mane. And I'm a Leo, so it works. So there we have it. Full head, all curled. And then just to finish off, I kind of like to run my fingers through, just so the curls kind of attach themselves and get that big bouncy look. And then I take a little bit of my Voir Haircare Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil, squirt a little bit into my hand, rub it, and just run my fingers through. Just gives it that nice shine. Smells really, really nice. And I notice, especially in photos, it just makes it look so much healthier. And I'm sure it helps with the healthiness as well. And just because today is day 2 hair and I want this to last at least another day, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of dry shampoo just to prevent it from getting greasy, and then just so that my hair will last as long as it takes, because as you just saw, it does take quite a bit of time. So I'm just gonna pour it on my head, just like that. And I just sort of rub it in. Woo. So there we have it, my big bouncy curls. Please let me know if you end up buying these curlers or trying this technique. I'd love to see the outcome of your hair as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any recommendations or have any suggestions on what kind of other videos I should do, please make a comment in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll see you in my next video.